I have a checkup tomorrow again. What health problems? Oh, something's going on with my white blood cells. They're kind of low. And then I have my stomach problems. Then I have hormonal imbalance thingy. Is it 4 o'clock already? Yeah, more than anemia actually. Okay, where is... Guys, I need a dragon. Please send me a dragon. 4 dragons again. Yeah, I'm taking some. Ace, can you send me a bin, please? Send me a bin, guys. I need to check my rebate. Okay, we're good. G, Mr. Man. Thank you so much. The checkup. $12. I know. I want like 20. My highest is like 28 boxes. So I want 30 boxes today. Just getting here. Paldo? Paldo ka ba, sis? Gusto mo rin 20 boxes? Ano? Let's go. Ako? Sige. Laro ka ulit. Na-drop mo na ba? Na-bin check na, okay na. Oo, pwede na. Si, ano din, stadium please. Guys, stadium please. I need 4 stadium. Yeah. That one. Red beans. Malapit na mag-20. I know, I need 3 more stadium. Meron ka pa ba dyan? Meron pa akong isa. Alat. Thank you for the follow, guys. 13 na to. Mamaya, sige, pwede. Kagabi naka-12 din yata ako eh. Okay, Tony. Make me a dragon, okay? I need 30. Ace, can you make a dragon as well? Butas ka. Wow. Sana mapaldo. Oh, nabutas ako 12K. 30K kagabi. Nanalo na nga ako ng 12K. Natalo pa din. Sayang. Buti na lang ito. Tatry ko ulit mamayang gabi talaga. Yeah. Nakakataba naman tong black hair. Ganyan pala dapat. Yan. Payat ka dyan. Hello po, Dad. Kakain na ulit kami. Ano oras na ba? 11. 9 minutes. Kakain na kami. Sakit ng legs ko. Sis, nagpipilates ka ba? Gusto mo magpilates? Free naman siya. Free for 2 weeks. Breakfast na. Enjoy breakfast, Dad. Maligo ako ngayon. I mean, yung hair ko, paliguan ko. I don't wash my hair every day. It's bad for you. Hindi pantay kilay ko ah. Okay. Hello, Vicky. Okay nga, magluto muna ako. Wait lang guys.